Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. This is a powerful way to keep everything organized and in one place, so you can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. This setup is especially useful if you use Notion as your central dashboard and ClickUp for task and project management. To get started, head over to ClickUp. Open your ClickUp workspace and find the specific task list or pro or project that you want to embed into Notion. You can embed individual tasks, entire lists, or even larger project views, depending on what you want to see inside Notion. Once you've located it, look towards the top right corner of the subject box, where you should see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click this menu to bring up a drop-down list of options related to your item. Next, select the option labeled Sharing and Permissions. This takes you to your sharing settings for the selected item. The aim here is to get a link that Notion can recognize and embed. From the options in the sharing settings, find the Copy Link option. Clicking this will copy the unique URL of your selected item to your clipboard. This URL will serve as a bridge between ClickUp and Notion, allowing the two tools to stay connected. Be sure you've got the link copied before moving forward. Now, switch over to Notion and navigate to the page where you want to place this ClickUp embed. This could be a project dashboard, a team workspace, or even a personal task page. Once you've arrived, click on the area where you'd like to add the embed and type in "while my shawl" embed. This command will trigger a little pop-up menu where you'll see an option to embed links and other media directly into your Notion page. When it's visible, click on the embed option from the menu. This action will pull up a simple dialog box within Notion where you can include external links. This step is essential as it sets up Notion to prepare for the integration. In the dialog box, paste the URL you copied from ClickUp. Double-check your pasted URL just to make sure it's the correct one for the item you want to display. After pasting the URL, you'll see a preview of your ClickUp item. Finally, click the Embed Link button to complete the process. Notion will take a few seconds to recognize and then embed the content. Once loaded, your ClickUp data will be seamlessly integrated into your Notion page, allowing you to view and even interact with the information without leaving the Notion environment. Keep in mind that any updates you make in ClickUp will reflect here as well. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded ClickUp in Notion. This setup not only boosts visibility and accessibility, but keeps all your tools nicely interconnected, helping you effectively manage your projects without the need for constant switching between apps. It's a great way to create a single source of truth for your work. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it enhances your productivity. If you have any questions or run into issues while setting this up, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.